The UN made it official. In 2012, June 1st belongs to every parent on the planet. Global Day of Parents was declared by the UN General Assembly in 2012 and has been held annually on June 1st ever since, honoring the role parents play in children's lives worldwide. The day recognizes that parenting is universal and deeply demanding, a sustained investment of time, presence, and effort that shapes well-being across generations. It asks communities and governments to support the conditions that help parents thrive alongside their children. The Love Cluster keeps the season full. Mother's Day is May 10th, National Brothers' Day is May 24th, and Love Conquers All Day follows June 3rd. Call a parent today, yours, your kids, or someone who needs to hear it. What do you wish you'd said sooner? If you want to learn more, visit nationaltoday.com.